Hi there. Let's make pizza in a different way. Low FODMAP, gluten-free. 250 grams of warm water. 10 grams of yeast. 10 grams of psyllium husk. 4 grams of guar gum. 50 grams of rice flour. 50 grams of corn flour. 100 grams of starch. 50 grams of potato flakes. 50 grams of oil. 3 grams of mist or salt. Yeast and psyllium husk. Let it rest for 1 hour. Oil. I used half of the dough. Tomato paste. Lovage. Soy sauce. Set your oven to 150 degrees Celsius and immediately put your pizza inside. Let it grow while temperature rises. When temperature is 150 degrees, set the oven to 200 degrees and take out your pizza. It's time to put some toppings. Lactose-free mozzarella, corn, olives, chili pepper. Back to the oven. Every oven is different. It took 10 minutes in my case. Enjoy! Thanks for watching.